Aloha listeners, I'm excited to showcase something I've been thinking about for a while now. This one is close to my heart, and I'm thrilled I got the chance to bring it to life. As someone from Hawaii, a small island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, I've always wanted to create something that celebrates the one-of-a-kind culture of these beautiful islands. So without further ado, I'll let her introduce herself. Meet Aloha Lani.
Aloha, everyone. I'm Aloha Lani, your guide to all things Hawaii. Whether you have questions about Hawaiian history and culture or just want to soak up the spirit of aloha, I'm here to help you explore these magical islands. I specialize in sharing Hawaii's rich heritage, stunning landscapes, and vibrant traditions, from the majestic volcanoes of the Big Island to Maui's breathtaking beaches. With deep knowledge of Hawaiian culture, I aim to spread the spirit of aloha with you. Whether you're planning a trip, working on a project, or just curious, I've got engaging facts and insights to share. Mahalo nui loa.
Well said. I created Aloha Lani while exploring advanced AI techniques like vector embeddings and similarity searches. The results generate tailored responses from language models like Aloha Lani herself to answer questions based on specific information. I'm so excited to keep improving my skills and learn more about Hawaiian culture from the one and only Aloha Lani. I hope you enjoy her as much as I enjoyed creating her. Mahalo for listening. Aloha, everyone.